In this lesson, we're going to explore something interesting. You already have powerful verification tools at your fingertips. The problem isn't lack of tools. The problem is that most people don't realize they're using them incorrectly, or not using them fully. Today, we'll turn everyday digital habits into professional-level verification skills. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to use simple but powerful tools to verify information online. We'll look at Google search operators, reverse image search, social media search techniques, map verification, and basic domain lookup methods. These are not advanced forensic tools, they are tools you already use daily. We're just going to use them smarter. Everyday tools. Every day, you search on Google. You scroll social media. You open maps. But most people use these tools passively. Digital literacy means using them intentionally, asking, where did this information come from? Who posted it first? Is this location real? Small shifts in how you search can dramatically improve your ability to verify content. Google search operators. Let's start with Google search operators, simple commands that make your searches more precise. For example, the cite operator allows you to search within a specific website only. If you want to check whether a claim appeared on a credible news site, this helps you filter results instantly. The file type operator allows you to find specific document types like PDFs or reports. This is especially useful when researching official documents or reports. These small commands transform basic searching into targeted investigation. Reverse image search. Images can be powerful, but also misleading. Reverse image search allows you to upload an image and find where it originally appeared online. This helps answer important questions. Is this image recent? Was it taken in the claimed location? Has it been reused from an old event? In a world where manipulated visuals spread quickly, this tool is essential for verification. Social media search bars. Social media platforms are searchable databases, if you know how to use them. Hashtags can help track how a story is spreading. Filters allow you to sort posts by date or location. This can help you identify the original source of a claim instead of relying on reposts. Instead of scrolling passively, you start investigating actively. Maps and Street View. Maps are one of the most underrated verification tools. If a viral post claims something happened at a specific location, you can check landmarks, businesses, or street layouts using map services and Street View. Cross-referencing information between multiple map sources increases reliability. Location verification is often the fastest way to detect false claims. WHOIS lookup basics. When evaluating a website, it's important to know who is behind it. A whois lookup reveals information about domain registration, such as the registrants, organization, and sometimes contact details. While not always fully public, this tool can help you assess transparency and credibility. If a website spreads controversial claims but hides all ownership information, that's a red flag. Combining tools. The real power comes when you combine these tools. You might reverse search an image, check the website domain, verify the location on maps, and search social media for the original source, all within minutes. Verification is not about one tool. It's about using multiple tools together to build confidence in your findings. Today's lesson shows that you don't need expensive software to verify information. You already have access to powerful tools: Google, social media, maps, and domain lookup. Services. The difference between an average user and a digital investigator is not access, it's awareness. And now, you are becoming more aware.